everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Shreen. Today I'm going to show you how I make roasted chicken. It's really easy to make, and these are the ingredients: chicken, dry parsley, rosemary, salt, and paprika, and some water. That's all you need for this recipe. I'm going to mix all these ingredients together before I put it over the chicken. And I'm going to put all these spices all over them, all right. Now the chicken is seasoned. I'm going to add some water to it before I put it in the oven. I've added water to this dish to help the chicken to cook evenly everywhere. We're setting the oven at 430 degrees and I'm going to cook it for about 2 hours. I do this step to give it that rotisserie look and also to cook evenly everywhere. And it's been in the oven for about 1 hour and 40 minutes, and this is my 3rd time to do this step. I'm going to put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes or so, and it should be cooked. And this is how I make roasted chicken. If you have any question, leave a comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.